What is going on, everybody? Edie's Audacity Trades here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made over $40,000 in less than 24 hours. Before we get this video started, I want to let you guys know that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, nor do I have any qualifications or certifications saying that I am. So trade at your own risk, do your own due diligence. I am simply showing you guys how I made over $40,000 in less than 24 hours. Also, I want to let you guys know that no, I did not have $10,000 or $5,000 or $30,000 or whatever to make this. I simply had $2,500, $2,544 to be exact. We'll go over that later. Also, I am on Robinhood. If you guys want to sign up for Robinhood so you guys can buy Dogecoin, there's a link in the description. You guys can get a free stock that you can sell and buy Dogecoin with it, or Bitcoin or Ethereum Classic, whatever you want to buy. That link is in the description. There's also other links down there to make you a bunch of free money. Make sure you guys sign up with that Robinhood link so you guys can get in on some of this crypto madness. So we are looking at the 1 week chart of Dogecoin. Now, the reason why we're looking at this is because it's very important to understand where Dogecoin has come from 1 week ago, how far it's come. Also, to show you guys that these line charts are not very accurate when you're talking about price on Robinhood. So let's go all the way back to the beginning of the week. So if you guys look at the price above the moving average on the top left, you guys will see that it was at 6 cents, 0.0627. And then it doesn't do a whole lot of moving, kind of just trades sideways, we get a little bit, we go up to 7 cents, and then here is when it starts moving. Now, the 15th is when it went absolutely nuclear, and you guys will see that it says 29 cents. Now, it went a lot higher than this. That is why you have to do the candlestick chart to see the full picture. So you guys can see a little more accurate. You guys can see the open, which is the O, H is the high, L is the low, and C is the close of that candlestick. So if we go to the April 15th and we look at 7 a.m., you guys will see a price, a low of 12 cents, 12.22. And you guys will see a high of 35 cents, 35.39. I have 178,290 Dogecoin with an average cost of a little under 1.5 cents. So let's do some quick math, because if I show you guys my portfolio, like I said, these line charts are not super accurate. So we will do the math. I will show you all the proof after this. So let's do some math. So let's take our high, which was 35.39. So we do 0.3539 minus 0.1222. That is a difference of, that is an increase, I should say, of 23.17. Okay, so 23 cents that went up from its lowest point to its highest point. Now, if we times that by the amount of shares I have, or coins, I should say, 178,290, we get a total of $41,309. That is absolutely ridiculous. From 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. on April 15th. That is ludicrous. Now, again, if you guys are wondering why I'm showing you this, it's because my portfolio won't actually show the proper numbers, because, like I said, those line charts are not accurate. So we go look at my actual portfolio. Here you guys go. Here is all the goodness right here. My equity, 46,700. My average cost, 0.0143. It would be lower, but I bought about 120,000 at less than a penny, and I bought the other 50 however thousand at about 3 cents. So it came out to about a little less than a penny and a half. And you guys can see this is almost my entire portfolio. I have a very tiny amount of Ethereum Classic, but that is it. My total return, $44,000. $44,000, 1,730% gain. That is absolutely insane. Now, if we go look at my portfolio, you guys can see on the 1 week where we were. See, on here it shows That's April 14th, but 20,000. And then it shows the peak only being 52,000. I'll try to throw a screenshot up here. I did screenshot my account when it was at 60,000. So I'll try to put that up here if I can. But I did not sell. And some of you guys might be saying, oh, you're an idiot. Why would you not sell? Well, first of all, you got to pay taxes on this money, which is like, for this amount, taxes on capital gains, because like I said, I only put in $2,500. It's like 24%. So it's like you're talking like 9-10 grand or something like that I have to pay on this, which super sucks. So I'm gonna hold on to this as long as I can, because I've been holding about 120-ish thousand for about 8 months. So if I can wait for a year, that'll count as a long-term capital gain, and my taxes will be much less on it. So I am trying to wait to hold to sell to see if I can get that. Obviously, if it goes nuclear, parabolic, an insane freaking number, then I'll obviously sell. But I did not sell. Some of you might think that's dumb or silly or whatever. Everybody's got their own opinions. I do think it will go past 35 cents again. But if you guys are watching this way later down the line, you guys can laugh at me in the comment section, and that'll be totally okay. But hopefully it continues to rocket ship. But like I said, I am going to get absolutely destroyed in taxes if this is under a year. So I am trying to hold at least the large majority of my Dogecoin for 1 year, so I don't get taxed as nearly as heavy as I would if I took it out right now. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys, because if I were to have taken it out all at that point, right, when my account was at, I don't know, 62-ish thousand, I would have owed, I don't know maths very well, but the tax bracket, I believe, is 24% for that amount. So yeah, I would have owed everything that I took out. I would have owed 24% back to the government. So I believe that's over like 10 grand. So that 62,000 would have really been 50,000. So that is one of the main reasons why I did not take it out yet. So you guys can clearly see that this can be done, right? You don't need $10 million. If you would have taken 2 of your stimulus checks and pumped it into Dogecoin when they came out, or your first 2 or whatever, you guys could have made a crap ton of money. I'm not showing you this to brag. I'm not showing you this to gloat. I'm showing this to you to show you how this is real. This is real, and real people with real money, not trust fund babies or people that make 6 figures a year or something crazy. Real, regular people like me or you can do this. This is a real thing that you can do. But like I said, do all your own due diligence before you guys invest. But if you do want to invest, I have links down in the description to multiple apps that you guys can use. And you guys can get free money to start with. So I highly suggest you guys go down there and check that out. If you guys want me to do some other videos, I do have a CoinBase account. I have a Binance account. I have some wallets. I have a whole bunch of other stuff cooking. If you guys would like me to do breakdowns of those as well, because I have pretty decent gains in every single one of them, at least doubling, especially my CoinBase account. That one I'm pretty proud of, because I don't have any Doge in that, but I've still managed to, I believe, triple or quadruple my investments over there. And my portfolio is much more diversified than this. So if you guys enjoyed the video and you guys want to see more like this, make sure you guys hit that sub button. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell. Make sure you guys like the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Took me a lot to make this video because I don't want people to think I'm just bragging or something. I truthfully am making this video to show you guys that you don't need a crap ton of money. And I know $2,500 is a lot of money, but I started with $1,000. And then I waited for the price to go up more, and then I dumped another $1,500 into it. So you can do this over time. This is to simply show you guys that this is real, and you could really make money off this. Do your own due diligence, do your own research, figure out what projects you want to invest in, and you can definitely be profitable. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the hell out of you, and hopefully I will see you guys on the next video.